Unit 6. You are here because you are getting directions for Unit 6 and you are in another part of the Unit 6 directions. Right now, if you are in this video, you are getting directions for volume. Make sure you are in the May 27th, 28 Unit 6 assessment folder and click on the Unit 6 volume assessment. Remember that this assessment is split into 3 parts. And the other 2 parts, you can watch a video as well of me explaining directions for the other assessments. So let's click on the volume assessment. When you click on the assessment, it'll bring you immediately to your rubric so you can see which questions you will be answering. It looks like you're going to answer 4, 5, 6, and 7. At the bottom is the PDF or the assessment itself. Make sure you click on it, you upload it, and you download that or upload that into Notability so that you can do the assessment. Now when you click on this assessment, you're going to scroll down to problem number 4 and you're going to notice that you have yourself a 3-dimensional figure. Now when we're finding volume is the way that we measure a 3-dimensional figure. So you're going to look at this prism. It says use the information to find the volume of the prism. Label your answer with the correct units. So you'll see that it's already labeled for you, and you'll also notice that it's in inches. IN period stands for inches. So this has a height of 3, a width of 5, and a length of 4. Now, your job is to find the volume, and then you're going to circle the formulas you could use to find the volume of the prism above. Then you're going to scroll down to problem number 5. Number 5 asks you to think about this. The area of the base of a rectangle prism is 36 centimeters squared. Now you know the area, and if you know the area, you also know the height. The height of the prism is 9 centimeters. So knowing the area and knowing the height, you now need to find the volume of the prism. Use numbers, labeled sketches, or words to model and solve the problem. Label your answer with the correct units. So here's where your answer goes. Now you're going to do the same type of thing, answering the volume questions in problem number 6 and problem number 7. Make sure that you're always labeling your answer and doing this as a multi-step problem. So there's going to be more than one question. So make sure that you're reading those directions carefully before you answer them. Now, if you need some extra help with volume, and you're looking at this page, you're thinking, you know what, I don't think I'm able to answer or do this assessment yet. What you'll do is you will go back into the Extended Flexible Learning folder, and you're going to find volume in the Unit 6 folder, and you're going to find that in last week's folder. So if you click in the May 18th through the 22nd in folders 19th, 20th, 21, and 22, you can go back there and you will be able to get help with volume. This will help you study. You can also then go back to that pre-test that we took yesterday if you think, oh, you know what, I need to go back, I need to look at how I did this. Remember that pre-test is there to help you from yesterday, and also the answers are there as well. So make sure you do that. Don't take the assessment until you feel like you're ready.